Welcome, this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we're going to do an unboxing some really cool shoes. These are October 10th, and they are Spectators that are on a split toe with suede and smooth leather. So here we go. Welcome to the Wisconsin Shoe Guy channel. On this channel, we look at shoes. We break it into a couple categories: unboxing videos, general shoe knowledge, shoe reviews, and shoe battle. Hey, I've organized all my playlists on this channel so that you're able to easily find different types of shoes, different brands of shoes, as well as finding all my shoe battles, worth the price shoe reviews, etc., all in one place. Enjoy. So, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at a new pair of shoes that arrived today. This is a pair that's been on order for quite a while, made to order through Sons of Henry. This is an October 10th hand welted shoe, and I think I ordered these. I'll have to look, but it's been a few months, and this is one that I actually designed on my own after I received the last October 10ths. I got these without trees, and when I was looking at St. Crispin's, something really struck my eye. They had what they call a silent spectator, and so I decided to take a look at the concept of mixing suede and smooth leather. And so in talking with Tom, I decided to try it. And these are a split toe. You can see the way that they did this on this last is just absolutely beautiful. And there's just a beautiful leather on these, and then they matched the suede to it using Janus suede, which is a really high-end reverse suede. So this is October 10th. Sizing is what I asked for. I asked for it with a thicker insole, and they did a nice job on the sole here, just absolutely fabulous. And really happy with that. Looking forward to these. Feel like they're going to be great. Super happy that I got the actual October 10th box, because I do keep my boxes, and the last time I got shoes through the October 10th partnership, they were in a Sons of Henry box. So I already have one of those, two of those, and three of those. So don't really need them. So, but really happy with this. Now, you know, when you look at this, the top line is not as different as it is like on a St. Crispin's, or what I expect to see when I get my my new ones from Acme, and some of the really high-end shoes. I think that then when they say that a shoe is asymmetrical, it's part of what they mean. Is that this is not quite the same on this top line versus that top line. Now, it isn't quite the same, right? But it's also not quite as variant as it is on the others. So that is something to definitely keep in mind. So you know, the insole on these are pretty thick, pretty soft too, which is going to be kind of fun. So look forward to wearing them. So now the box that they did on this is, you know, it's one of the slides, right? So it's got a little loop here. You just slide it out. Now I have two other shoe companies that do boxes like this. J. Fitzpatrick does boxes like this, as does Cobbler Union. So definitely an interesting tidbit. Like the shoe bags from October 10th are extraordinarily soft. This is a velvet. They got all the nice little silk screen on there, and they just have your little pull tabs here to be able to pull them tight. So very nice there. I'm getting quite the collection of shoe bags as I'm keeping them, and when I do sell them, I usually sell them with it. As we look at the shoes themselves, you know, I wanted a much more sedate shoe than the last one, which I had, which was in cognac. So this is a nice Annonay calf. It is dark brown with the dark brown suede. The suede goes all the way up into the tongue. So that's all one piece. You can see that they did a reverse split toe, and you can see that they did the nice rail stitch for the combination here as well. Now, this isn't a pie crust apron, but it is where they have the one layer and then the other. So hand stitched. So, and these are hand welted as well. And then you can see that they did some carving, okay, and carving out the fiddleback here. And I mean, and this is, you know, that's one of the things I really loved about October 10th is that it is a sharp fiddleback. Now I asked for straight heels this time instead of tapered. And I think that they did a nice job with this. If you'll recall the other pair that I have from October 10th, the heels are tapered so much that it looks kind of like a cowboy boot. And so I much prefer this look. Much more classic, much more standard, and what I would expect to see. So now I think that these will shine up really nice. I'll be able to put a nice mirror on the toes and really kind of create that change there. Now, I thought about using like a Utah calf or a hatch grain with the suede, and I was really dissuaded by a number of people thinking that that would just be too much. And so I'm interested to see what your feedback is on that. Do you think that it would look better with the texture and the suede, or do you think it looks better with just the smooth? So let me know your thoughts, and thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.